Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on the REALME C63. Okay, so let's begin. So to create a backup we need to first open up our settings. Once we are here, scroll down into the bottom until you find the system settings. Again, scroll down and find the backup. Okay, and now under the account storage we have our Google account that we are currently logged in. And our backup will be saved on that specific account. It is really important, so you need to remember about it, because in the future, if you want to restore your backup, you will need to be logged in into the same Google account on which you made the backup earlier. In our case, it's that mail. In my case, actually, because you need to create a backup on your own account right in here. Make sure that Backup by Google one is enabled right in here. And when it comes to the backup details, in here you have a list what will be copied, so it will be apps, photos and videos, SMS and MMS messages, call history, device settings, and also the Google account data. Alright, so once everything is described, all we need to do now is to tap on this white button, Backup Now, and now the process will start. Now under the backup board a thin bar should appear, here it is, and you can take a look that it's starting to slowly fulfill. Basically when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made, and also as a confirmation we will see a notification on the bottom of the screen. So now let's wait until it's finished. Okay, our data has been backupped. And now in here, under my finger, you can see how long ago the last backup was made. It was like 0 minutes ago, because it was like 2 seconds ago, to be more precise. Next to it we can see the hour. You can see that it's the same hour. And that means that our backup has been successfully made. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.